Hi, I'm Marna and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm going to unbox a Rainbow High doll that I found and fix my sleeve while I'm I'm going to unbox this Rainbow High Krystal Bailey doll. I'll do a very short what's my opinion of her, but you all have seen all the reviews, all the articulation. We'll just get mine out and see if she bends and make sure everything's okay. The plan is I want to get her out. I want to probably let's look at her hair and decide from there. And I want to make her an outfit I thought you might like to see on her. So I think Darren and I are just going to turn the camera off and try to get her out, because you know how tight these Rainbow High dolls are. Okay, here she is out of the box. You all have seen these 100 times. The hair is stiff. I'm going to take a wire brush. Okay, that sounds funny. Wire dog brush. That's what I use for my dolls, is metal brushes and metal combs. It just works better. I'll start at the edges, of course, and see if I can keep the curl but lose the product. And I do that outdoors. I like this jacket, but every time I see it, and maybe because Darren and I participate in a lot of different sports, I always read spar Kyle. I don't know, spar like swords. Every time I see it, that I think of that. I'm dyslexic, so, but she is a cutie patootie. I really do like the purple. I like this shade of purple. Her shoes, I really like. I'm wondering, do they? No, they do not. I wish that the legs, because they have such a big knee joint, would have had the divot in there so that she could actually fold them up. But, you know, everything seems to be working well. She twists and turns and, let's see, no, I guess I don't turn at the waist. So I have an idea. Let's see. I like this doll, and I took her outside because of the product, and I just used a dog brush, wire bristled hairbrush, dog brush, and brushed out the product, and I like it. It's all I'm going to do at this point. And I made her some clothes, and I wanted something Halloween-y, and we have that challenge coming up in December for the Nightmare Before Christmas, so I thought that would be perfect. And I have this in 4 different prints, the Nightmare Before Christmas. So I made these outfits reversible, or the tops reversible, and I made some extra outfits. Now this one I had made before. That's 2 different prints. That's why it's 2 different purples. This one is glued. I had made that a while back. I'm pleased with that glue. I did not add darts, and the reason I did not is because I took this pattern. I had it laying here. Here it is. I got this pattern. It's for a Barbie on Pinterest, and I copied it out and I took it down to Blythe size, but I pulled this back out and I cut it to Barbie size, my original pattern, because I wanted to see what Barbie, would it fit Rainbow High, and would it fit Blythe. So I got out some dolls, and as I said, I made the tops reversible with a little snap. So usually I add a little button like on the purple side. And usually, I'll show you what I'm talking about. When I've been her hair. When I've been making these reversible, I've been making them 4-way reversible. These aren't so much, but it's, you know, forward, backward, or backward, backward, and then front and front. It's not awful, but the back side or the front side or this side kind of comes upside down, because if you look at the pattern, you cut this side out on the fold, and that becomes your back or front, And this is fold over. So your fabric, if not flower print or something of the sort, your backside will be upside down. Some prints it doesn't matter, some it does. Anyway, let me go on with what I was saying. I did not add the darts, and I went ahead and cut it Barbie size because I wanted to see who it would fit. Now I'm going to show you on, oh, I meant to bring the other Barbie, the taller Barbie, it fit her. Usually I've been cutting the collar down more, but I did not because, as I said, I wanted to see who and how these fit. And let's take a look here. I think this fit. Well, I don't want to break her arm. Be very careful with the joints. I am always so careful with joints. See, this was tight on her, but it did fit on the other. I mean, it fits. I even put the snap-on as far over as I could, but I really, it's okay. It's not, you know, once you move the arms around a little bit, it fits. So I made all these. Where's the other one that I was going to turn inside out and show you? Oh, I did. Okay. And then this one I made a little different. And then the skirts I just made basically the same size elastic. As you can see, it's big on Blythe. It's just a little bit on Rainbow High. Actually, it's not bad though, because then you can tuck your shirt down inside. But on the curvy Barbie, it's a pretty good fit. So this one reverses like this. So today, this is a hidden giveaway, and we are going to give away this top along with this skirt and this skirt. Oh no, yeah, this skirt to one lucky person who leaves a comment that is a subscriber to our channel. And this is reversible. Like I said, you can mix and match this several ways. And that's not all. Darren made these adorable Nightmare Before Christmas doll stands. I absolutely love these. We're sending one of these also. The stick that we are sending will fit Blythe doll and Rainbow High. If you wanted it for Barbie, you would need to go to Walmart or somewhere, get a new stick and cut it to size. So that's our hidden giveaway. We are now going to do a hidden reveal of who won the hidden giveaways within our videos. So you have to watch our videos to find out if you won. If you did win, I need you to contact me at my email address, marna@dollsrescued.com, and I'll need your address to send it out. The person that won the Dolls Gone Goth personal stand that Darren 3D printed with 2 hooks depending on the type of doll or the clothing they're wearing, and a stick cut to Rainbow High, LOL, OMG, or Blythe size will come with this. And again, you can change this hook or this stick, just buy them at Walmart. The person that won is Lou at the Real Prince Club. If you haven't seen her channel, we will leave a link below. She does crafts, and a lot of them crafts on a budget. I really like that. She does a lot of Barbie videos. She just got a new Blythe doll. I think she's expecting 1 or 2 more, so I'll look forward to seeing those. And she does all kinds of little things on her channel. She does skits and little shows and a lot of crafts. I really like her crafts. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and don't forget, if you would like to win our hidden giveaway today, you need to leave a comment below. And please subscribe. You must be a subscriber to win our prizes.